Okay, we are now on page number 62. I am reading the third paragraph from there. 10 years later, when we were designing the first Macintosh computer, it all came back to me and we designed it all into the Mac. If I had never dropped in on that course in the college, the Mac would have never had multiple typefaces or, for that matter, even proportionally spaced fonts. Fonts, in computer fonts are there for writing. So he said 10 years later, when he was designing the Macintosh computer, and he called it the Mac, what he had learned calligraphy in his college, where he had dropped out from the real college and then he had joined the course of calligraphy. The time he said that all this was useful for me. Otherwise, Mac computer would not have the multiple typefaces or the space fonts. And since Windows just copied Mac, it's likely no personal computer would have them. Of course, it was impossible to connect the dots looking forward. Now we are on page number 63. You can see here. Okay. When I was in college, but it was very clear looking backwards 10 years later. You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future. You have to trust in some things, your gut, your destiny, your life, karma, whatever. This approach has never let me down, and it has made all the difference in my life. Steve Jobs sees that connecting the dots, that is looking backward in your life, helps you to move forward. Also, we have to trust on certain things. What are the things that he told us to trust on, children? Our guts, our courage, our destiny, that is faith, our life, our karma, that is action. And this approach has never let him down. Remember, he struggled a lot, and he became one of the successful persons in this world. So we can learn many things from the life of Steve Jobs. Okay, my second story is about love and loss. I found what I loved to do early in life Steve Wozniak and I started Apple when I was 20. Hardly Steve Jobs was only 20 years old when he started the Apple industry with his friend, that is Woz. In 10 years, Apple had grown from just the two of us from the garage into a $2 billion company. When Steve Jobs started Apple, he had started it from his garage with only two people, he and his friend Woz. And after that, you can see within 10 years, it had grown into a $2 billion company. And then I got fired. It was devastating. Got fired meaning is given, lost the job. Imagine that you are the founder of such a great company. You have sown the seeds. The company grows into a very good $2 billion company, and suddenly one day you're fired from it. How do you feel? Steve Jobs also felt the same. But something slowly began to dawn on me. I still loved what I did, and so I decided to start over. He did not give up hope. Steve Jobs said, though I'm being fired from my own company, I'm not going to stop here. I'm going to start once again.